Jai Hind दोस्तों. So today we are starting for the practice set 2.6. Question number 6.1. Mr. Kasam run a small business of the making. Here then ports. He makes a certain number of the ports on the daily basis. Production cost of each ports is rupees 40 more than 10 times than total number of the ports he make in one day. If production cost of all ports per day is 600 rupees, then find production cost of the one port and number of the ports he make per day. So find out number of the ports he make per day. So first one, let the Mr. Kasam make x number of ports in daily basis, right? X number. Second one, then the cost of each here then ports is 10x plus 40. 10x plus 40. Why? Because now 10 times total number, right? 10 times total number of the ports. So total number of the ports is x. 10 times it means get multiply, and now each of the ports is 40 more than, right? Then after that, second one, he makes certain number of the ports on the daily basis. Then production cost of each ports, and 10 times number of the ports, and each ports is 40 rupees more than, right, is equal to 600. So multiply each of the 10 x square plus 40x is equal to 600, right? नेक्स्ट वन क्या करेंगे, अगर आपको 10 से डिवाइड करना है तो आप डिवाइड भी कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज एज इट इज़ आप कर सकते हैं. सो डिवाइडिंग बाय 10 ऑन बोथ द साइड, 10x स्क्वायर एंड अपॉन 10, 40x अपॉन 40, देन माइनस 600 एंड अपॉन 10. 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Then after that, by factorization method, first term and last term get multiplication. Then after they will be do factorization, 10x minus 6x then is equal to plus 4x, right? Then x square plus 10x minus 6 and minus 60 is equal to 0. Then x, now what is the common in the first two term? So x is a common, x plus 10 right as it is, and now what is the common? Minus 6, right? Minus 6, then remaining of x, minus get positive, then 6 times are 60, then is equal to 0. So both are the similar, right? Write only one time, then after write the other brackets. X minus 6 is equal to 0, x plus 10 is equal to 0, or next one, x minus 6 is equal to 0. After that, now constant number shift after is equal to, this one is also shift after is equal to, so x is equal to minus 10, or next one, x is equal to 6. But now the number of the ports cannot be negative, right? But the number of the ports, they will be not be countable, right? Uncountable is there. Unacceptable. So first one, x is equal to 6. So production cost of each ports 10x and plus 60 is equal to, x is equal to plus 6, multiply 6, 10 6 are 60, then plus 40 is equal to 100. So ports Mr. Kasam make per day is 6, and second one is 100. So Jai Hind दोस्तों, it's a very easy question and simplest form.